Okay mga boss, so day 8 na tayo. Day 8 na tayo dito sa grind natin dito sa Baccarat. So nagpo-full trip ako dito. Tingnan natin yung ano natin. Sige, 1798. So ayan, dito. 1798 stop natin. So tara. Ba't naka-green na kagad to? Di pa tayo panalo ah. Ayan. Let's go. Tira tayo dyan. Tira tayo dito sa Evolution. Mukhang itong Evolution yung pinakasikat, no? Mukhang itong Evolution yung pinakasikat. Pero hindi ko alam, yung iba hindi man Evolution yung nagamit eh. Now we're looking for our target shoe. So this is one of the most important part of this strategy, the targeting of the shoe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's go. Let's try this one. Player. 1 unit for the player. 50 pesos. My unit size is 50 pesos per unit. I basically need 31 units for the 5-step progression. So it's a tie. Let's try again. Okay, let's try again. 50 pesos for the on the player. Oh, we got that win. So that's 1 unit. I need 10 units for this session. 10 to 12. Sometimes I get 12 units. No, just only 10 units. 10 to 11. 11 units is the maximum. Again, that's a good hit. So got 2 units. And that's a loss. So that's a loss. So we go 2 units here in the player to recoup the loss. If I lost 5 in a row, then the session will end. The session, I'll call it a session if I lose 2 in a row. So 5 in a row pal. 5 in a row. So I call it the session. I call the session off. I lost 5 in a row because I only have 5 bullets on our 5-step betting progression martingale. So we have 5 steps martingale. Got 1. Oh, he got 8. So I lost another again on the banker side. Go to the banker. Give me a W, please. 0 0 0 0 6. Nice one. So I got the win there. So I got more than 2 units. So more than 2 units. I don't have 3 units because it's only 140 pesos. 3 unit is 150. So I only got more than 2 units. 2 units and 40 pesos. Okay. Well, I won that one again. So I got more than 3 units. So let's try again. Ayan, I got more than 2 units. More than 3 units. Almost 4 units. We'll get 10 to 11 units. 11 unit is the maximum for the day. I lost that one. Should not have. Okay, let's go. Let's bet again. Maybe I'll update my strategy with something like this. Something better. So, I got that one. So, what is it now? So, again, player. Let's go to the player. Player. Bet 50 pesos in the player side 1 unit. So, I don't say 50 pesos. We just say 1 unit. Oh, I lost. Let's go for the banker side. So shout out to my father there watching news. Oh, another close loss. It's very close. Let's go again for the banker side. So I only got 5 bullets, so I lost my 2 bullets, so I still have 3. Still have 3 left in my arsenal. That's the third progression, so got that one. Sometimes it's hard to get the units, but sometimes it's not. Once 272, so we got 5 units, more than 5 units. So 5 units to go. Nice one. Okay, got another one. Ayan, 4 units to go. 4 to 5. If we bet on banker a lot, we'll need to 5 units more. So if we get more players, maybe 5 units will be enough. 6, 7. So again, a win. Yan, another unit. Which let's go get another unit, guys. We go get another unit. Ah. No. Oh, 0. Okay, so we lost that one. So again, another unit. 2 units on banker, so we can get back our loss. 2 units on banker. Let's go. No. Oh my goodness. 9. So again, 4 units on banker. So and that's 2 in a row. So we still got 3 bullets. That's 2 in a row. So we still got 3 units, 3 bullets here. So let's see what will happen. Oh no. Oh no, another loss. That's 3 in a row. Get. Okay guys, that's 4 in a row, 3 in a row. So we still got 2 bullets. We lost this. We'll go to our last prog. Oh no. That's bad. No, that's bad, guys. This will be our last bullet. If we lost this one, we'll call the session off. It's bad. We'll call the session off if we lost this one. Let's go. Let's go win this one. Oh, very lucky. Lucky me. I still win this one. So very lucky me. That's lucky me. So I just need 2 units to finish the session. So still very lucky me. Know that? Lucky me. This will be our last unit here. Okay, we got that. So we'll jump to another table. We'll get 1 unit. So 14 times the bunker. 14 times the bunker has won. 14 times there. Saan tayo? So, ito. Mukhang dito. I like this one. I like this one. How much did we win? So 1 unit will be enough for us. So this will be our last unit for today. So let's go. Let's win this 1 unit. Get na natin to. Ay, nako. 2. Nice, 1-3. Sure win. Sure win. Oh, okay, guys. That's gonna end our session. So, again, just bet money that you are willing to lose. So, don't bet money you are not willing to lose. Gambling is very dangerous. So, we're gonna cash out. Cash out na tayo. Ayoko na mag-English. Joke lang yun. So, cash out na tayo. Mali ako eh. Dapat dito ako sa kapo. Cash out lang tayo ng 250. Para yung hindi, 500 na. 500 na. Okay. Cash out. Cash out tayo 500, guys. Mali. Okay, guys. Cash out na tayo 500. Ayan, guys. Oh. So, that's gonna end our session. God bless, guys. That's only 500. I still have this. Still have my money I have 1798. So, let's record that. Oh, no. I have 1815. So, let's record that. Ay, 1815. So, try natin. 1815 plus 500. So, that's the final. Then, a profit is 517. So, cash out 5. This will be 500 yan. So, 500 ulit. So, ayan, 500 ulit tayo. 6,000 na yung naka-cash out natin dyan, guys. So, you can see, naka-cash out na tayo ng 6,000 dyan. So, cash in lang tayo ng 4,550. So, ayan. So, profit na po tayo ng 1,450, guys. Ayan, profit na tayo ng 1,450. Okay na yan. So, stop na natin. So, that's all. Thank you.